Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, the videopreneur. Check it out. We're at Bill Thomas Camper Sales in Wentzville, Missouri, and this is a 2027 Airstream Dodge Ram Range Line. And it's just starting to drizzle a little bit. Hot as the blazes outside, but the rain is nice and cool. And speaking of cool, check that out. Keep the bugs out with that screen. Let's get inside and check this beast out. So driver and passenger seat, nice cockpit, nice flat screen TV in the center console, nice center stack, cup holders, and your entertainment center or your flat screen TV, power windows, power brakes, power steering, and dining table. This chair you can flip around and sit here. You can turn the passenger chair around as well. And this is a double top. So this will fold out and you can have a table all the way across. Speaking of a table, kind of looks like a cart you'd see in an airplane. They make the most of the use here. So this is, I forgot what these are called. I can't recall if it's like a convection cooktop, but you take certain pans and it heats up really quickly. And everything about Airstream is top notch. Very nice, nicely appointed. And solid wood bottoms, stainless steel sink, JBL speaker, plenty of storage throughout. There's the box for the JBL speaker. We have a small microwave oven, refrigerator, and freezer. Here's the freezer on top, refrigerator. It's not real big, but for traveling, it's perfect. And the great thing about it is you can always go down the street, go to a gas station or a convenience store and pick up your other supplies. We have your power shutoff cubbies for additional storage. This is really nice. So this folds down. That's your bedding, and it's kind of like a spring, so it's bowed. And then here's your mattress here. And then we have storage above, your HVAC, additional storage here as we rotate around. Your fuse panel, lovely bathroom setup. So you have your commode and you flush it with that lever right there, and hand wand as well as a mirror. Really a classy setup. And again, this is a Dodge Ram, so it's a 2027. And this is offered by Bill Thomas Camper Sales in Wentzville. I've got a link for new, used, service, and parts below. Any comments, questions, leave them below. We'll catch you on the next video. I'm going to get out in that cool rain. It's just barely drizzling, just enough to cool you down a little bit. Thanks again for watching.